3 ways to make money every day with an online business. If you plan to start an online business, there are many options to consider. There are internet businesses where products are sold from a warehouse or an inventory storage building. There are online businesses that sell information only. There are also online businesses that sell services but not tangible products. The list of opportunities goes on and on. But which one will bring in direct daily payments to you? Let's explore some home business ideas to see which will be right for you. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. What are direct daily payments? Direct daily payments are payments that come directly to your bank account, PayPal account, or wherever else you might receive payments. The payments come from the customers directly to you instead of through another company's payroll. You will be your own boss and control the money. Realistic with any business, you're not likely to start receiving direct daily payments when you first start the business. But with some opportunities, the payments might come rolling in more quickly than you think. Here are a few online business ideas that will generate direct daily payments. 1. An internet home business offering tangible products. An internet home business that offers tangible products usually involves stocking inventory and shipping products to the customers. You can sell any type of product, from wall supplies to gift baskets to auto parts. The benefits are you can build a business based on your personal interest and build it into a successful and even very large operation over time. You can still receive daily money for products once the business is established. If you don't want the hassle of offering your own products, you can sign on as an affiliate to sell products for others. With affiliate programs, you'll earn a commission every time you refer a new customer when they make a purchase. Affiliate programs can be lucrative, but they also take a while to build. Research carefully before relying on affiliate programs to make sure the companies are stable for long-term earnings. To boost your affiliate commissions, we recommend John Crestani's Super Affiliate System. Super Affiliate System provides an easy-to-follow course helping people become successful affiliate marketers in just 6 weeks. You'll learn how to master Facebook ads, Google ads, native ads, YouTube ads, and much more. The link to the Super Affiliate System is in the description below. A second online business idea that can generate daily income is a service-oriented home business. A service-oriented home business enables you to get paid daily, weekly, or monthly for a service. The service can be anything: writing, web design, web hosting, accounting, transcription, data entry, marketing, and so forth. With a service business, you're paid according to your time and skills, and you don't have to keep any inventory on hand. A third online business idea is a turnkey internet business. A turnkey home business is a home business that is already set up for you with a website, customer service, and products or services. This type of business usually requires a minimum investment on your part to set up, but you'll be responsible for promoting the business. Some opportunities will even promote for you, but may require a larger initial investment. A turnkey business allows you to start an internet home business without all the typical costs involved with startup. You can sign on with the company and reap the benefits of their product or service, their promotional efforts and training. They do all the legwork for you, so it's much easier to get started. Some turnkey businesses do offer products or services or digital products such as ebooks, while others may be similar to a multi-level marketing program. They teach you how to market their business so you can make money daily in a shorter period of time. To start receiving daily money with a healthy residual income, study these types of online businesses to see which one will fit your time schedule, startup budget, skills, and interests. If you need a steady income now, choose a home business opportunity with the most potential for earning direct daily payments in the near future. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Unlocked. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.